So I wanted to show you guys kind of how this works. It's a mechanism that helps you measure for your cabinet pulls. And so you can do one where it's just like a 1 or a 2. What you do is you level and make sure that you're in the center based off of the top of the cabinet. So I have it at 3.5 inches. It puts me perfectly in the center of the space. Also, this distance is 15, so I just make sure that it's at 15 on each side. And it's a little bit over, so I just try to make it in the middle. And then our handle poles, which are gold, they actually are 8 inches. So you put that on 8 inches on each side, and it puts it perfectly in the middle. And then all you do is, there's another piece that you can put on the end to hold it so that it doesn't move, but unfortunately these are too long, so it doesn't work. You just take the drill and you put it in there and make a small hole to mark it. And then I tried to use a pen, but no pen or pencil fits in there, so the drill has to do its job to just place the marks. So it kind of looks like this. There's a mark there and a small mark there, and then when we're ready, we'll just drill all the way through and attach the handle poles, and I'll show you those. So these are the bigger handle poles, but they're similar to the ones that I did with the smaller. These ones are bigger and they go on our big deep drawers, but as you can see, an easy way to figure out how to measure them is you stick the screws in the bottom and stick them up, put them in the holes, and then just make sure it's even on each side. This is a little over 14, and then this one's a little over 14, but less than 14.5. So that's kind of where we're at with measuring. I'm probably gonna have to move it a little bit more on one side, but then you just take this off, take out the screws, and then you have the perfect tighten it on each side, and then you have the perfect place for where you need to drill. For this one, it's going to be a 1 just in the middle because it's too big for an actual handle pole. So what you do is you just measure to the edge on each side, so 14.5. It's the same depth of a drawer, so I keep it at 3.5 up here. It still makes it in the center here. You just drill the hole right through there, and then it'll come out in the middle.